Martin was an investor in a technology company called TechSpark. He had bought stocks in the company 5 years ago when it was a promising startup. TechSpark had innovative ideas, and its initial growth was impressive. Martin believed in the company's potential. However, over the past year, TechSpark began facing challenges. New competitors entered the market, offering similar services at lower prices. TechSpark's sales started to decline. The company struggled to keep up. The news wasn't good. Every report showed that TechSpark was losing its edge. Martin was worried. He regularly checked the stock market. Each time, he saw the value of his TechSpark stocks falling. His friends and colleagues advised him to sell his stocks before they lost all value. But Martin hesitated. He remembered the company's brighter days and hoped for a turnaround. One evening, Martin decided to analyze the situation thoroughly. He spent hours reviewing financial reports, market trends, and expert analyses. It became clear that TechSpark's future was uncertain. The company had failed to adapt to market changes, and its financial situation was deteriorating. Faced with this evidence, Martin made a tough decision. It was time to sell his stocks. Holding on to them, driven by sentiment, would only lead to more loss. He contacted his broker the next morning and instructed him to sell all of his TechSpark shares. Selling the stocks was a hard but wise decision. Martin felt a mix of emotions: disappointment, relief, and a bit of regret. He had learned a valuable lesson about investing. It's essential to make decisions based on facts, not just feelings or past successes. A few months later, TechSpark's situation worsened, and the stock value plummeted further. Martin realized that he had made the right decision at the right time. He used this experience to become a more cautious and informed investor, understanding that the world of business can be unpredictable and that adaptability and timely decisions are key to success.